We all know that our kidney remove waste and materials from our blood. Similarly, water purifier also remove like salt, mud and other impurities from water. Now, the benefit of water purifier. Number 1. Increase taste and smell. Number 2. Reduce risk of waterborne diseases. Number 3. Removal of all impurities and contamination. Do you know water purifier also has some drawbacks? Number 1. They can also remove beneficial minerals from water, leading to bone and teeth problems. Number 2. You may waste several cups of water just to enter. In Kanyakumari, all houses we drink only fresh water. So try to drink natural and filtered water whenever possible. Stay naturally, live healthy, be happy. Thank you to all.